Hi everyone, my name is Bob Foreman, and I'm a software engineering lead and ECL trainer at LexisNexis Risk Solutions and HPCC Systems. I wanted to remind you of a series of free ECL workshops that I will be presenting at our 2023 Community Day Summit. The 3-hour workshop is titled the 2023 Community ECL Challenge, where I will recap the best code challenges and workshop events that were held this year. Hour number 1 is on Tuesday, October 3rd, and looks at the Music is Life Code Challenge. Who doesn't love music? In this first hour, we break down 3 popular open source music datasets and explore converting and normalizing the dataset and look at a variety of data evaluation and query techniques. Hour 2 is on Wednesday, October 4th, and celebrates the Find Your Paradise Hackathon. Have you ever thought about building an application that can help people find places to live that maximize their quality of life and happiness? We will be looking at different quality of life categories to develop a scoring system using public data sets that shows the user the best place in the United States to live. And finally, Hour 3 is on Thursday, October 5th, and highlights better customer insights through relational dataset queries. Here we look at the power of the open data model, transforming normalized data into a denormalized relational data set. And then we use the implicit relationality power to analyze relationships to provide better customer insights. So sign up in the link below, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you there. Thank you.